So I received this today. I wasn't expecting to get the S20 Ultra today. I pre-ordered it, but I thought it was coming on Friday. But here we are now. I just signed for it, and I'm like, what is this package? And I opened it up, and I said, wow, the S20 is here already. So yes, the S20 Ultra, I pre-ordered it. This is my second Android device. So as you guys remember, last year I picked up the S10. That was my first ever Android device, my first Galaxy. So now this is my second Galaxy, and we have the S20. It makes sense. S20, S10 last year. I know you guys saw 1001 unboxing videos. We got one sticker here. Can't wait to experience the power, the camera, the 100 megapixels. Yeah, there it is. Right out the box. Can't wait to experience it and make a bunch of videos for you guys. You guys know I was anticipating this. Now, I didn't get the Z Flip. I wanted to get it, but by the time I even pre-ordered it, it was just sold out. Wow, this phone is incredibly light. The amount of power that's in this phone is insane. But this is light. This might be lighter than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Hold on, let me get it. My iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is my daily driver. And yeah, the S20 is definitely lighter. Yeah, definitely lighter. And the screen size is bigger. But that camera module, yeah. Let's move on. We got the wall charger. This is super fast charging. Okay, we got our charging cable here. So this is Type C to Type C, as you guys can see. EKG headphones. I appreciate the attention to details. Look at that braided material. And there's no headphone jack, so it's Type C. Okay, I'm put it right back in there. I'm going to just use my Samsung Buds Plus, which should be coming in the mail today. Gotta go wireless nowadays, man. It's 2020. Let's take a look at the S20. Okay, let's peel off the plastic. Ooh, I'm happy I picked up the black. Because the reason why I got the black is because the lens, it kind of, just unifies, the design. Instead of having this gray and then the camera lens is black. Yeah. Alright, so let's boot it on. There we go. Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. So this is 5G compatible. 5G connection is very, uncommon. So we gotta wait for that to mature a little bit. I feel like this is more narrow than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But for the most part, I appreciate the lightness. I appreciate there's no notch. You just have a hole punch. Yeah, this is a beast. And let's not forget, you got that fingerprint scanner built into the display. You do have facial recognition, fingerprint, pattern, pin, password. So many ways to protect your phone. I actually want to test out the fingerprint scanner because this is impressive technology. And this is important. When you get your Galaxy device, make sure you peel off the screen protector. Otherwise, your ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is not going to work all the way. Ooh, that was satisfying. Alright, so now we touching the real screen right now. So I love this. This is just, like, for me, I'm nerding out right now. The fact how this is underneath the display. I know it was last year's technology or 2 years ago, but we want this on the iPhone. Bring back Touch ID. You get what I'm saying? But it's good to see Samsung incorporating this tech. And yes, this is it, guys. So that beautiful OLED AMOLED display is kicking in, the rich blacks, and the screen is massive, but it's not too big. It's not like it's too wide. It's enough to hold with one hand, in my opinion. I can still tap on some of the buttons, get into the top portion. I'm going to have to shimmy my hand a little bit, but this is nice. But the first thing I'm going to do, you guys know, I got to enable that 120 Hertz display. So I gotta enable that. So I'm going to go into display. I'm going to go into motion smoothness. I got to have 120. It's going to lower down the battery life, but I need that frames, man. I need that 120. So now everything should be moving a lot smoother. Ooh, look at that. I want to compare this to my iPad Pro, but I should have made this video 60 frames per second. My next video, I'm going to make it 60 frames so you guys can see the 120. But it's definitely ultra smooth, launching up apps. The animations are silky. Scrolling through YouTube is going to be a breeze. Yeah, look at that. Oh my god, all phones should have this, like, for real. Deleted by YouTube, demonetized. Shout out to the Note Boys, man. So yeah, David Dobrik giving away more cars. What I want to do, I want to take a look at the camera. The camera is something to fuss about. Let me mute this. Yeah, put it to vibrate. Let's put it on max brightness. Let's appreciate the nits. And this thing has DAX too, so I can hook this up to my TV and turn it into a computer. You got that always on display, so if I lock it, the screen is automatically gonna kick right back on. Or is it? I'm such an iPhone user. Okay, you tap on it. All right, and then yeah, you have the clock always showing. This is something that Apple needs to incorporate on the iPhones or iOS. And then with the fingerprint, yeah. Oh man, wow, that was fast. Wait, that was super duper quick. No match. Okay. Yeah. See, it's so much more convenient. You take your phone out your pocket and you could just be able to scan. Sometimes Face ID is a hit or miss sometimes for me, but the fingerprint scanner underneath the display, that might be the best technology out there. Okay, I'm having trouble. Yeah. So it's that Pacific area you got to work on. There's a lot of apps and stuff downloaded in the background. The camera, this is where it's something to fuss about. This is where all the ruckus is. Okay, so I'm going to switch it to 16 by 9. I got the full, so it's going to take up the entire display. This is so immersive. And then with the video, you do have 8K, so you can shoot all the way up to 8K, which is insane. Of course, I'm going to be making a lot of videos, like vlogging only on the S20, doing speed tests, comparisons, you name it, I'm pretty much going to do it. So make sure you guys subscribe if you're new around here if you guys want to see more S20 videos. I don't have no script for this video, by the way. I'm freestyling right now. I'm freestyling. Check me out. Check me out. Okay, nah, I'm just kidding. Yo, look at the zoom. All right, so you have 100 times zoom. And you can go all the way to the ultra wide. Oops. This is from a iPhone perspective, you know, using the S20. I do appreciate how the screen is not bleeding too much on the edges, because on the S10 I feel like my palm on the side was pressing the buttons accidentally. Look at that display. Product number 1, we have the orange cube, and this. Wow, look at that display. No bezels whatsoever, basically. I mean, you have a little small minimal chin on the bottom, but it's nothing to be going crazy about. You could be able to watch a video and have picture in picture, like, and do something else in the background. Like, this is, like, I can go on Twitter, Instagram, Amazon, and I could just watch my video at the same time. The audio does work. Clay balls is right there. It's a very, very subtle scent. It smells like. And then yeah, that works just fine. So I want to do the multi-window split view. Let's cancel that. Let's go back into YouTube. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, see? I can have 2 apps at once. So whatever app this is, the Galaxy Store, I could do whatever X, Y, and Z and still be on YouTube. And you have the screen real estate for it. But this has 12 gigabytes of RAM. This is 128 gigabytes of storage. That's going to feel extremely fast if you record a lot of videos. So, but the best thing to do, you have expandable memory. Something with Apple, you don't have expandable memory. So, yeah, this thing is just a certified beast. You do have wireless charge. You do have reverse wireless charge. Let me show you guys that real quick. That was a big feature on the S10. It is here on the S20. So now I can take my iPhone 11 Pro Max and actually charge it on the back of the S20. If I can find that sweet spot. Yep, there it goes. So I gotta find that sweet spot. Now it's even more powerful, more stronger now than ever before than the S10. So that's an upgrade. So it's more power transmitted into your charging device. So you could charge up your Galaxy Buds, AirPods Pro if that's your thing. Another device, as you guys see, your watch. Oh, and that must be the Galaxy Buds Plus. I might have to sign for it. That's my doorbell. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna get these Galaxy Buds. So yeah, I'm gonna make a separate video talking about the Galaxy Buds Plus. But for now, that's where I'm going to conclude the S20 Ultra. Absolutely love it. Look, you have moving wallpapers. The OLED is rich blacks, rich colors. You got that ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. That 6.9-inch big, beautiful, gorgeous AMOLED display. The cameras go all the way up to 100 times zoom. It has 108 megapixels. Like, this thing is a certified beast. It has more RAM than your computer. But I'm going to make a couple of videos and we're going to see if it's really worth the hype though. Now, something to keep in mind of, this is a fingerprint magnet. So, you know, if you're going to be rocking out with no case, you're going to see a lot of fingerprints on the back. So there is no frosted back, you know, like the iPhone 11 Pro Max. You know, this is a frosted back. So you can touch on it all you want, but it's not going to really show too much. It's always going to look clean. This, you know, you're going to need a microfiber cleaning cloth. But I'll argue this might look better if it's clean. You get what I'm saying? So if you clean it off, it's good as new. You know what I mean? It's good as new. Look at that. Shiny. Alright guys, make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on. Help me reach to 50,000 subscribers. We are moving extremely fast. I appreciate the love, all of your support. I appreciate the coffee. Shout out to Alex. I appreciate it, man. All of your love, all of your support. I really do appreciate you guys. I love what I do. Just being a YouTuber is just the most expensive thing ever. But to be the best YouTuber, you gotta pay to play. And what can I say, man? I want to be the greatest. And I gotta do whatever it takes. That's all. So make sure you guys stick around for more S20 videos. And until next time, peace.